Hello friends. In the last video we discussed about maximum power transfer theorem. In this video I would like to tell you reciprocity theorem and its limitations. Okay. First let's see what is the statement for reciprocity theorem. It states that in any linear passive bilateral network the ratio of response to excitation remains same even though the positions of source and response are interchanged. This is the simple statement for a reciprocity theorem. Reciprocity theorem states that the ratio of response to excitation remains same even though the positions of the source and the response are interchanged. That means here response is nothing but the output, excitation is nothing but the input. The ratio of the output by input is remain same even when the sources and response are interchanged. Suppose let's consider this circuit. Here this is the source, this is the voltage source, and the response is taken at the load. This load current is the our response. Okay, and there our ratio of response to excitation is nothing but I by V here. Here I by V is the ratio of response. Here response is nothing but the current, load current, and the excitation is nothing but the source input V. I by V is equal to the, if I interchange these two terms, that is I simply replace this source as a excitation, source as a response, and the response as a excitation. Okay, now I move this voltage source to this side and I take the response in this branch. Let's consider this circuit. I moved this voltage source to this side here, see, and this response I taken here. Okay, now the response is I and the source is V, and the ratio of response to excitation remains same. This is stated by the reciprocity theorem. Okay, reciprocity theorem is nothing but the ratio of response to excitation is nothing but the output to input, output by input. Okay, the ratio of output by input is same if we interchange the source and the responses. Okay, I think you clear from this diagrams. Next we will see the some limitations of reciprocity theorem. Here we have some limitations of reciprocity theorem. Okay, first one is reciprocity theorem is not applicable for non-linear active and unilateral networks. Okay, we already seen in a statement also reciprocity theorem is only applicable for linear passive and bilateral network. That means it is not applicable for non-linear active and unilateral network. And the next limitation is the presence of dependent sources in the circuit makes the circuit as a active. Hence this theorem is not applicable. That means if our circuit consists of any dependent sources, then that circuit will act as an active circuit. Then also the reciprocity theorem is not applicable. Okay, and the third limitation is if the excitation and the response are related to the same quantity. That means in the previous paper we see two circuit diagrams. In the two circuit diagrams, the source is voltage source and the response is current. Okay, if we take current source and the source is current and the response is the voltage across the load, that's why you can take. Okay, you can take only the source and the response are different quantities, not a same quantities. If my source is voltage source and also response is voltage, then this theorem is not applicable. If the source is voltage source and the response is current, or if source is current source or response is voltage, then only this theorem is applicable. Let's see again. If the excitation and the response are related to the same quantity, that is voltage. Output is the voltage and input is the voltage. Output is the current, input is the current. Then also this theorem is not applicable. That means if the output is voltage, then the input must be in current. If the output is current, then input is must be in voltage. In that way only this theorem is applicable. Okay. And the next point, reciprocity theorem is only applicable for single source networks. It's not applicable for multi-source networks. If our circuit having only single source, then only this theorem is applicable. Okay, this is about reciprocity theorem. In the next class, we will go to discuss about Taylor's theorem. Thank you for watching this video.